Welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna and today I'll walk you through a practical guide how to reset app preferences on your Android mobile device. This is a helpful procedure if you're experiencing issues like disabled apps, broken notifications, or missing default app settings without affecting your personal data. Open the Settings app. This is your central hub for managing all device features, from apps and storage to security settings. Next, scroll down and see the apps or applications depending on your device manufacturer and tap to open it. Here, you'll see a list of all installed apps, including pre-installed system apps. Next, locate the three-dot More icon usually in the top corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open additional options related to app management. Next, select Reset App Preferences. You'll see a confirmation prompt explaining that this action will reset all disabled apps, notification restrictions, default apps, background data limits, and permissions restrictions, but it won't delete any app data. Now, tap Reset to confirm. Your Android device will now restore all app preferences to their default state. This can solve common issues such as apps not opening, notifications not appearing, or links not opening in the correct app. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy simple, practical, and easy to follow tech tutorials, stay tuned to Quantum Tech Lab for more guides. Our tips will help you take full control of your Android device, optimize its performance, and make your digital experience smoother, safer, and smarter.